To the developing political story back in the national capital, and it comes in from the Aam Aadmi Party camp, which is now staring at a definite internal split. Its founder members Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan are staring at a possible ouster from the party itself. Sources in the party have confirmed to Headlines today that 2 resolutions will be presented at tomorrow's National Council meet of the party. The 2 resolutions include one on removing the 2 from the party for anti-party activities. This comes after the total breakdown of talks between Camp Kejriwal and Camp Yadav and Bhushan at a meeting of the top brass yesterday evening. It now all boils down to the numbers, with Kejriwal clearly having the lead.
अब चूंकि ये पार्टी को तय करना है, नेशनल काउंसिल को तय करना है, पार्टी इस प्रस्ताव पर सहमत नहीं है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल के बारे में निर्णय पार्टी उस तरह से ले। अब नेशनल काउंसिल के साथियों को और देश के सारे कार्यकर्ताओं को ये तय करना है कि सारी शर्तें तो पार्टी मान ही चुकी है हमारे साथियों की, लेकिन अरविंद केजरीवाल हटाए जाए ना हटाए जाए, ये 28 तारीख को उन्हें तय करना है।
Meanwhile, the Kejriwal camp released a note written by Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav on the 17th March. In this note, Yadav and Bhushan had laid down 5 conditions and agreed to resign from the National Council if those conditions were met. Now the two camps are at loggerheads. Charges are flying thick and fast, and the big question remains who is telling the truth. Now this is what the 2 sides are claiming. Kejriwal camp says that all 5 conditions set by Bhushan and Yadav have been met, which the duo deny. They also claim that the duo had resigned, but Bhushan and Yadav are now demanding to see their resignation note, and are also claiming that they never asked for Kejriwal's ouster.
Please ask them to produce one fragment of paper, ask them to produce one email, one SMS, because we have actually given the entire thing in writing, because we feared, when we started the discussion, we feared it would be misinterpreted, misreported.
हर तरह से उनके सामने रगड़ के, हाथ जोड़ के, मतलब हर तरीके से कोशिश किया। आप यकीन कीजिए कि इस परिवार को बचाने के लिए हमने भरसक कोशिश, हर प्रयास किया। बावजूद इसके जिस तरीके से आज उन्होंने जवाब दिया कि हमें आप लोगों पे भरोसा ही नहीं है कि 28 के बाद आप कोई बात मानेंगे।
They say that we have resigned. They say that all the suggestions for institutional reforms that we had made have been accepted by the party, where the fact is that not one of those has been accepted.
दुखद बात है कि हमारे बहुत वरिष्ठ साथी हैं सभी, लेकिन योगेंद्र जी और उनके साथी तमाम बाहर कुछ बोलते हैं और जब बातचीत हो रही होती है तो कुछ और बोलते हैं।